Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox live animation. First, open Roblox Studio and ensure you have the Animation Editor plugin installed. You can find this essential tool in the Plugins tab, ready for activation. Next, select your character or rig within the workspace to prepare it for animation. This initial setup takes just a few moments, ensuring you are ready to capture dynamic movements. It's the crucial first step for bringing your creations to life with fluid motion. Once your rig is prepared, it's time to record. Simply click the Record button within the Animation Editor to start capturing your movements. You can then directly manipulate your character's joints and limbs in the three-dimensional viewport. As you pose and move, the system automatically generates keyframes on the timeline, capturing every nuance. Aim for smooth, deliberate actions to create natural-looking animations. Remember, you can always refine these later. After recording, the real magic happens in the editing phase. You can adjust individual keyframes on the timeline, dragging them to change timing or modifying poses directly. For advanced control, use the graph editor to manipulate animation curves, creating smooth transitions or sharp movements. Copying, pasting, and deleting keyframes allows for efficient sequence modification. Always preview your animation regularly to ensure it flows perfectly and achieves your desired effect. With your animation polished, it's time to bring it into your game. Save your completed work directly to Roblox as a new animation asset, which will provide you with a unique asset ID. Copy this ID, as it's essential for integrating the animation into your game scripts. A few lines of code will allow your character to play this new motion. Finally, test your animation thoroughly in-game to ensure it performs exactly as intended, bringing your creations to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.